So welcome everyone, welcome back, and to welcome back to you, Anne, and thank you to the others for joining me in today's session. And my name is Nalo, and I will be taking you through the class today. Okay, so let's take a look at the topic, which is cooking, and the session objectives. And could you please rate them for us?
Okay, sure. Uh, Firstly, talk about typical food in your country. Second, learn vocabulary about cooking. And finally, talk about recipes.
Very good. Thank you so much. Good reading. And now let's answer a few questions. And Lynn, can you tell us, do you like cooking?
Yes, I like cooking.
Okay. And explain to us, why do you like cooking?
Cooking because cooking makes me feel relaxing and I enjoy my free time.
Okay, and you enjoy your free time. So it relaxes you and you also enjoy your free time. Okay, nice. And now let's ask Anne. Anne, could you please share with us your favorite food and why is it your favorite food?
Mhm. I think I have a lot of favorite food, you know. Yeah, it is difficult
Mm-hmm.
for me to say the food that I hate, but it is really easy for me to say um, my favorite food. Maybe I'm really into the grilled meat, grilled meat. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
do you get me?
Okay. So
Yes.
you into, can you say that one more
The
time? You
the
are into,
barbecue, maybe the barbecue.
oh, grilled meat.
Yeah, the grilled
Is that what
meat.
you mean?
Yes, that's it.
Mm,
Exactly.
okay. Okay, nice. So, does it mean that you like having barbecues?
Yes, I'm really into barbecue. So whenever I have a chance to hang out with my sister, I always like encourage her to go to the barbecue restaurant with me. However, my
Mhm.
sister is different from me. She's into hot pot. So yeah.
Mhm. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, nice.